Video log number 1. I would like to talk about the difference between men and women. How we all think. We have a lot in common, but we are really worlds apart. If a man, or we'll start with women first. If a woman is told, hey, there's a really good guy, I think you should talk to him, blah, 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 he has money, he has this, he's that, he's a really good guy. What do women say? First thing they say, oh, that's great, that's cool, right? Maybe I could get to know him. But if you go and tell her, hey, you gotta watch out for this guy, he's an asshole, he's crazy, he's been in jail, what's the first thing they say? Oh, really? Oh my god, it's kind of cute, he's mysterious, oh my god, you don't know him like I do. Bitch, he gonna whoop your ass! Moving on to the guys. The difference between men and women, how we think. Men, if you tell us, we always look out for other guys too. If a woman, or if a friend tells us that, hey, you know what, this chick, she's been in jail, she on probation, she drinks a lot, she's a crackhead, whatever, first thing we tell ourselves, hell no. No, we don't even want nothing to do with that. But, if you go and tell us, hey, this is a good girl, she cooks, she knows how to make rice, she loves her mom and dad, she does Bible study, yada, 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 first thing we think of, hell yeah, that's the shit I like. So I'm saying, women, I don't know what you think, anything and everything women think of, it's always the complete opposite. Men, we're just kind of straightforward with it. So, hope this is a lesson learned to all of you. Have a great day.